Imagine a world where 1920s vintage charm meets high-speed modern gaming performance. This striking pink typewriter keyboard claims to offer the best of both worlds, but can a retro design actually handle a heavy workload or a fast-paced gaming session? At first glance, it is hard not to stare at the EWEADN Typewriter-style mechanical keyboard because it looks like something straight out of a boutique design studio. The first thing that stands out is that gorgeous top-grade aluminum alloy panel. It gives the whole unit a heavy, premium feel that you just do not get with standard plastic boards. Those electroplated punk keycaps are not just for show either. They have a matte texture that feels surprisingly high-end under the fingertips. It is a full 104-key layout, so no one has to sacrifice functionality for that unique steampunk aesthetic. Underneath those round caps, the board uses custom pink switches. If you are expecting a loud, clicky-clack like an actual old-school typewriter, you might be surprised. These are linear switches, meaning they are smooth and quiet with very little resistance. It is a dream for anyone who wants the vintage look, without waking up the entire house during a late-night typing session. The keys feel stable and responsive, and thanks to the full anti-ghosting technology, every single press registers perfectly even when flying through a document or a heated match. One of the coolest additions is the dedicated multimedia knob. It is such a satisfying way to dial in the volume or cycle through the 19 different lighting effects. Speaking of lights, the monochromatic glow against the pink finish looks incredible. It is not just a Windows peripheral either. With a quick shortcut, it flips over to Mac mode, making it a versatile choice for anyone jumping between different setups. The detachable Type-C cable is a nice touch too, ensuring a stable connection with zero lag. It is rare to find a piece of tech that balances personality and performance this well. For anyone wanting a desk setup that turns heads while providing a smooth, reliable typing experience, this is a fantastic choice. It is more than just a pretty face. It is a robust tool that brings a bit of soul back to the modern desk.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.